Okay, so this is going to be a video about how to recreate some pixel art over here. And we're going to be making one of these. Now, you might have already got some experience making, for example, a cat. And if you're a student who's done this, I know exactly who you are. This is a little Easter egg for you. So yeah, you might have already done a cat or maybe an apple or a pineapple. What I'd like to do now is attempt one of these here. Now I'm going to attempt let's attempt this skull. I think the skull might be quite fun. So to attempt this skull, we need to be counting from the left and then upwards. So let's do this in the least possible steps possible. So I think we can likely do this in 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 steps we can do this in. So first things first, let's actually recreate what we need. So we're going to get some Python right here. Okay, good. We're going to find blocks, dot fill. And let's use not grass. Grass makes no sense for this. Okay, here we are. Before this, we need one more thing. We need to have a player uncheck command, and then this needs to be inside. So there we go. Wonderful. Great. Now we're going to use white concrete. And yeah, let's start counting. Remember, we're not ever going to be using this. We're never going to use the last column, right? So starting from left to right. Where does it start left to right? Well, it starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starts at 6, goes to 7, 8. So 6 to 8, 6 to 8. Easy peasy. And then up it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yes, 4. And it ends at 4, 2. So we'll have 4 and 4. Great. Now, when I go over here, okay, we're gonna actually have it right there. There we go. I actually might, actually no, this is fine. It's okay. I can run. Good. You can see that it makes the first part skull. Let's add the second part. By just copying and pasting this over. I would like you, two things. Have every single piece of the code like I have. Don't just use the same thing and reuse it. I want you to have separate pieces of code. Also, make sure you're using this world. I want you to use this world, right? Because I've set this up for you so that you can use this world and so that it makes sense for you. There we are. Good, good, good. Great. So let's do the next part. So it's going to start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5? It is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 9? Yes, it is 9. So 5 to 9. 5 to 9. And then up it goes. Well, I know this is 4. So this must be 5. And then 6. So 5. And then 6. Great. Now I can go over here and I can type in run again. Here we are. Run. Nice. Okay. Great. Now the next step is going to be over here, this big square. Let's do that. I also know that this was 5 to 9, so therefore this must be 4 to 10. How do I know that? Well, it's just 1 to the left and then 1 to the right. Let's count it to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that correct? Yep. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this going to be correct? It is. So it's 4 to 10. Remember, we're going to be copying this over. Like so. Good. Okay, good. 4 and 10. And then up and down, it's going to be, well, if this is 4, if this is 5, this is 6, this must be 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 to 11. 7 right there. 11 right there. We go over here. Type in run. Did it work? Great, it did. It's hard to see, right? Because it's actually on a white background, but that's okay. We can look at it from the side. It kind of makes sense. Yeah, just kind of disappear. You know what? We might even use a different color, right? So let's use Let's use, is it a gray concrete? Is that the correct spelling? There it is. I think they use the American spelling. Gray concrete or there we go. And now I can just do this again because I've done everything myself. And I've kept all the code. Yeah, it works. Gray concrete. Great. Okay. Last one. So I know this is 7 to 11, so this must be 12, 12. Okay. If you don't understand what I'm saying when I say 12, 12, or I know that this must be this because of that, it's fine. You can just count yourself, right? You don't need to do what I'm doing. Okay, good. Okay. So we're gonna have, oh, I actually lost count. So we can count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 to 9 here. Like 5, 9. Okay, and this is 15, 14, 13, 12. So 12 to 12. Okay. So you can count from the top two. Good, good. The other type one in here. Great. We've now got the skull shape. Now we've got to get these. Okay. I'm only going to do the eyes today because I don't want this video to be too long. But yeah, you guys can do this this shape here. Matter of fact, let's make this easy for you, right? Because we don't actually need to make it so difficult. Let's use something pale. Let's use a pale ochre. Why not? Okay, good. We'll do 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 do. Okay, we are. There we are. Okay. Like I said, you can use different colors, right? So don't worry about what color I'm using. You can use different colors. We're only going to be using. Oh, I wonder what material this is. This seems like striped wood, actually. Okay, but it's not striped wood. Okay, is it this maybe here? It's not. Okay. Well, we're only going to be doing these black pots just to make a really simple skull. So let's start. So we've got the skull. Okay, great. So it's going to be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 to 6. Okay. Okay, 5 to 6. Put these here. Let's use something. I'm going to use white concrete here because mine's black, right? So it's 5 to 6. And then it's going to be from here. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 to 9 here. Okay, 9 to 9. And the great thing about this is I can just copy and paste this. Right here. And 9 to 9 will be the same because it's on the same level as the second eye. But we are going to change to 5, 6. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9. Okay. So we have 8 and 9. Let's go over here. Okay. Type in run. Ah, great. We have the eyes. Okay, now last part is going to be this guy right here. This is going to be, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 to 8. Okay. 6 to 8. Okay. 6 to 8. Okay. 6 to 8. There we go. Not 98, 6 to 8. And to count down, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 6. Okay. So many sixes. Wow. Okay. 6, 6, 8, 6. Okay, great. Let's move over here, and this should be the end of our build. Okay. Okay, type in run. There we go. Great. You can see I've just recreated this in front of you. So it should be quite easy. And yeah, have fun with this. Please make sure to use this world, and please make sure to structure your code like this so I can see all of your code, right? I want you to have all of the blocks in one place. And then that way you can recreate it anytime you want to, right? Instead of just adjusting one block, have all of them like this and use this exact world, please. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye and have fun.